We all want to live a happy, productive life, but sometimes we just need a little help. Our Coach on Call experts provide strategies to help you live your best life now. Joining me today is Linda Mitchell, a certified transition coach, reinvention expert, and speaker who empowers people who are stuck, overwhelmed, or ready for change to release the struggle, gain clarity, and evolve to their highest purpose as they move through life's challenges and transitions. Linda is here today to discuss how you can step into your personal power. Hi, Linda. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks, Joan. It's always great to be here.
Linda, some people believe that power is bad, and they believe it's like forcing your will upon another person. Can you explain why some may think this way?
You know, Joan, thanks for bringing that up. I think it's important to first recognize and put to rest the old paradigm around power, which equated to being forceful or controlling. The new paradigm around power, especially personal power, means stepping into our truth, our highest potential, the thing that we were brought here to do and be and share with others. And this includes taking control of your powerful subconscious brain. I believe we all deserve and are worthy of claiming our personal power. Doing so actually creates quite the opposite experience from being forceful, controlling, or overbearing. Now, granted, a child or an emotionally mature individual might use their personal power to bully, coerce, or force others to do things that are mean-spirited, ill-advised, divisive, or that cause injury. But most healthy and intellectually mature people use their personal power for the betterment of humanity without causing any conflict or hurt feelings. In fact, when our personal power is intact, we're neither overbearing or submissive because we're clear on how our personal power impacts those around us. And so we become more sensitive and respectful. Boldly stepping into our personal power allows us to realize that we and everyone around us are worthy of striving for our highest potential. There's no good reason to be fearful or ashamed of claiming your own personal power.
Linda, you just mentioned stepping into our personal power. What does that mean, and why is it so important?
So as we grow into and claim our personal power, it means we're getting clear on our individual gifts and strengths and realize that we have the ability to author our own life. We discover ways to evolve to our highest potential. When we take responsibility for our lives, our thoughts, decisions, and actions, but mostly our thoughts, by tapping into the power of the subconscious brain, we are in our personal power. That's when we recognize what we're especially good at. When we make use of these gifts or share these gifts with the world, we're claiming our personal power. We're communicating from a place of authenticity, ease, and passion. Each of us have gifts, talents, and strengths that make us uniquely who we are. I really believe it's our job to define, create, and actually step into the role that makes us feel most at home. When we do, we're in our personal power. For some, that means using their skill of reaching and teaching children. For others, it's being creative or using their people skills to create change. And it's not necessarily the job that you're in because unfortunately many of us are not in jobs that highlight our gifts. So we need to find other ways to claim our personal power. When we tune in to what our unique talents are and create a way to share them, we've stepped into our personal power. Most importantly, claiming your own personal power means you have recognized that you are in control of your thoughts and actions because you have figured out what subconscious thoughts limit you, and you've decided not to be ruled by them. So instead, you create and live by empowering thoughts that support the life you want to live.
So, Linda, you coach other people on how to do this. Can you share a few tips with us?
Yeah, sure. So first of all, I want to say you don't need to be an extrovert or a leader to step into your personal power. And a really good place to start is by listing the things you love. What topics can you discuss for hours without ever getting bored? What kind of things did you enjoy as an adolescent that still feel good? What subjects touch your heart, stir your emotions, or ignite your passion? What comes really easy for you? List all your gifts. List what topics people come to you for help with. Think about the major challenges you've faced and the skills you use to overcome those hurdles. By doing so, you'll likely have some big insights or aha moments that can help you claim your personal power. And once you realize what excites you, create goals to get you closer to bringing those things into your life every day. Many people look to life coaches to help them with this, but this part you might even be able to do on your own. Reflect on the thoughts and beliefs that keep you from taking action, and then create some new empowering thoughts, affirmations, and actions that will move you forward. There are several powerful techniques to help, but always keep your thoughts positive and keep your inner critic in check. Take baby steps every day to align yourself with your unique gifts and goals to help you step into and claim your personal power.
Linda, thank you so much for joining us. If you would like to learn more about this topic or Linda and her work, you can visit livinginspiredcoaching.com. And as always, to hear more from Linda, you can visit our website, cyacyl.com/Linda.